Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Here's a new unboxing for today, and this is the wireless lavalier mic. So let's check it out and open it. So it is the wireless microphone for mobile phone, and also this is also for vlogging. So let's check it out. So what's inside? So here it is, the item. So let's check first the box. What is inside the box? Okay, I think this is the USB cable for the yes, and it is the USB cable, and here's the USB-C. Okay, and then here is the microphone of it. So this is the microphone. Uh, this is the microphone, the charger. And this is the you can wish you're clipping it into your t-shirt, and then this is the mic, and this is the USB-C, which you're gonna put this into the phone. So for example like this, so this is a USB-C. You can put it like that, and now and it is connecting, so let's just power it on. And now it is now blue. There is the LED blue, and now it is now connecting. So let's try to example it. Hello, hello, mic test. Hello, hello, mic test. Hello, hello, mic test. So as you can see, there is a voice wave over there, so you can you just play it. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoy, and so that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. That was the unboxing of this wireless microphone lavalier for vlogging. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell to notify all of my upcoming future videos here in my channel. Okay.